Hello everyone, you're tuning to Katrin Vlogs. Today I will be sharing you a review of one of the products from Human Nature. And if you're new to my channel, consider smashing the subscription box and hitting the bell to be notified about my upcoming uploads. The product that I am talking about is this Human Nature Natural Moisturizing Skin Shield Oil. It has no harmful chemicals and it comes in 50 ml bottle. It has a light yellow-green color which is in liquid form. This moisturizing blend of natural ingredients is safe for kids. It is also gentle on skin and it is kind to the environment. Upon using this product, the kids will not develop any irritation or rashes. This product has no paraben, no synthetic fragrances, mineral oil, and other toxic chemicals. If you want to know more about the ingredients of this product, just take a look at the back part of this product. So the ingredients are the following: sunflower seed oil. It also contains soybean oil, citronella leaf essential oil, eucalyptus leaf essential oil. Goodness, it's Human Nature. Alright, so makikita nyo rin at the back part yung expiry date and kung kailan ito minanufacture. So ako personally, hindi talaga ako mahilig sa mga skin repellent, insect repellent. Marami na ring available products dito sa market that comes into varied form. Meron akong mga nakikita na lotion, meron ding mga patches, and more. Kaya naman nung nakita ko itong Human Nature Natural Moisturizing Skin Shield at ito ay ginamit ko kaagad, mapapansin ninyo na kapag inalis natin yung takip, ito ay ipapump lang natin. Ayan, so dalawang pump ay kasya na sa buong katawan. So, pwedeng ipahid sa paa, sa braso, kahit sa chest and sa leeg. Ang bango-bango ng product na ito. At talaga namang, nung sinubukan ko ito ay hindi ako nagkaroon ng rashes at hindi rin ako nagkaroon ng skin irritation. Kaya ito ay safe na safe. Yung amoy niya, pinaghalong amoy orange and at the same time, amoy siyang yung pinapahid sa tiyan ng mga baby kapag sila ay may flatulence. So this is really perfect para sa atin at disclaimer, hindi po ako expert pero ito ay base lamang sa mga na-experience ko upon using this product. So, ang rating na to sa akin ay 5/5. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Hope you like it and give me a thumbs up. Right, so